awesome toy fans, this time I have a Play-Doh set for you, and it is Sofia the First Amulet and Jewels Vanity set. It does come with some sparkly Play-Doh.
Ooh, sparkly!
You can make and wear your very own Sofia jewellery.
Oh yeah!
And here it is, guys, and look at all the cool stuff we get included. Let's take a close look at exactly what that is. We have the amazing sparkle Play-Doh included with this set. We have this awesome purple sparkle Play-Doh, and there it is, you can see it's sparkly.
Awesome!
And we get the pink sparkle Play-Doh as well.
Ooh, shiny!
And we get a pink Play-Doh which doesn't have glitter, but that is one awesome shade of pink.
OMG, that's amazing!
We get a flipping vanity mirror with this. You can see we have Sofia and her friends on one side, and then on the other side we do have the mirror as well, so you can have either side. It is up to you. We also get this portion at the top. This is the top of the tiara. You can open this up and you can squash some Play-Doh inside that, and then that does attach to this headband, and you can clip that into place and wear it.
Playing with the Play-Doh is so much fun. Oh yeah, Play-Doh is so cool!
Let's see what the headband looks like on our friend Minnie Mouse. And it looks amazing.
Wow, she's so beautiful!
We also get Sofia's amulet as well. You can remove that from the front, and this portion does flip open, and you can put some Play-Doh inside. How awesome does the amulet look with the sparkly Play-Doh inside? That is very cool. Let's use Minnie again to see what the amulet looks like when she's wearing it.
Beautiful!
You get a bangle included as well. You can put that around your wrist, and there are some shapes on top as well. So let's take some of our Play-Doh and push some in there. When you have your sparkly Play-Doh in there, it does look very, very pretty.
Oh wow, that is so adorable!
On the base we get 3 of Sofia's animal friends. You can lift each one of these up. You can see we do have the spaces below there to put your Play-Doh. You do get a ring as well to put these on top. So let's give it a go. All you need to do is place that on your ring then, and how awesome does that look?
Beautiful! Ah, so cute! Wow, so beautiful!
So there you have it. Now you can make your very own Sofia the First Play-Doh sparkly jewellery. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to check in next time, and I will see you then here on Toy Review TV.